If you're frustrated because images aren't showing up in Google Chrome, this tutorial is just for you. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to fix the problem and get your images displaying perfectly so you can browse, shop, and enjoy the web without any missing pieces. Let's jump right in and get those images showing again. First up, open your Google Chrome browser. If you already have it running, great. If not, just double-click the Chrome icon on your desktop or search for Chrome in your Start menu. The issue of images not displaying can happen for a few reasons, but most of the time, it's a setting within Chrome itself. So, we don't need to dig into complicated stuff. You just need to know where to look. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the window. You'll see 3 dots in a vertical row. Those are your More options. Give those dots a click. This is your main gateway to Chrome's settings, so try to remember where it is for future troubleshooting or if you want to tweak other browser features. Now, you'll see a drop-down menu. Find and click on Settings. This is where Chrome stores all of its customization and privacy options. It's totally normal if it takes a moment to load, especially if you have a lot of tabs open. Don't worry, just wait until the settings page appears. Here's where things get specific. On the left sidebar, there's an option called Privacy and Security. Go ahead and click that. Think of this section as Chrome's vault for keeping your browsing safe and private. By diving into these controls, we're sending a signal to Chrome that you're in charge of what loads on your browser. Scroll a little bit and you'll find Site Settings. Click on this. Site settings govern how websites interact with your browser, like whether they can send notifications, access your location, or, including what we care about today, whether they can show images. It's easy to overlook this area, but it holds all the power over what you see or don't see on websites. Keep scrolling down in the Site Settings menu until you see Images. This might take a few seconds, and sometimes it's nestled among other permissions like pop-ups and ads. If you don't see it at first, take your time, no rush, and look for the word Images. Click on that option. Now here's the crucial part. You'll see a few settings, but focus on Sites Can Show Images. Make sure this is selected. If some other option is checked, like Don't Show Any Images, that's the reason why your Chrome hasn't been displaying them. Selecting Sites Can Show Images tells Chrome to allow pictures to appear on all websites you visit. Just like turning the lights on in a room, this switch brings everything back into view. Sometimes people accidentally block images while troubleshooting, or maybe a security extension made the change. By flipping this back, the full visual experience returns to your browsing. Once you've selected Sites Can Show Images, close out of Settings and try loading up a website with lots of pictures, maybe an online store, a gallery, or even your favorite news page. You should notice the images are back, bright and clear. And that's it. Quick, simple, but so effective. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give the video a thumbs up and definitely drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you're still dealing with stubborn image issues. I'd love to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this, so you can keep your tech running smoothly. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.